Hello everyone. I know I'm very enthusiastic at the start of this video today, but it's because I'm about to unbox a collaboration with Iconic London. I love Iconic London products and I cannot wait to get these all on my face and demonstrate a full makeup look using them. Let me show you what it looks like. Apologies if you haven't met me before. I'm Rebecca and I'm the Senior Social Media Executive here at Glossybox UK, and every single month I film unboxing videos of our monthly boxes, a limited edition, on occasion different videos such as Choose Your Own, etc. And this month I'm unboxing this absolute beauty, which is the collaboration we've done with Iconic London. Now, you will be able to get your hands on this. If you are watching today, it is live for subscribers, and then it will go live for non-subscribers. So please keep an eye out because I need you to get your hands on this because it's an absolute beauty. Even if it's not for yourself, for your friend for Christmas, your daughter, your wife, your partner, who knows? If you want to gift it to someone, this is going to be the perfect gift. Now, this is worth £124. Has 6 hero iconic products in here. So again, fantastic for yourself or a gift. It's got mascara in there, eyeshadow, lip products, eyeliners, setting sprays. It's got the full glam in here, ready for your upcoming Christmas parties. And I cannot wait to demonstrate it all on camera for you. All the details in terms of pricing, etc., you can find in the description below. But let's get started. Now, let's take a little look at the box itself. I have took the products out because I want to surprise them one by one whilst I'm applying them. But it comes in this beautiful tray-like box, which I just think is gorgeous for like just storage purposes. You could keep your makeup in here on your dressing table. It's just beautiful. And again, we've got this special collaboration, limited edition logo box design on the box as well. Now, the products in here don't feature a complexion product other than one, which you will see. So I'm quickly going to go and do my complexion and my brows off camera, and I will be back with the full lineup demonstration. There we go. So I've done my complexion and my brows, and now we can go fully in with the makeup items from the Iconic box. Now, because I have done my base, I'm going to go in first with the first complexion product of the Iconic collaboration, and it's their Prep Set Glow Face Mist Class Setting Spray. This is an Iconic product at Iconic. It's very well known, it's very popular. I know Iconic from this. I think it's like one of the most original products. But I love how it feels on the skin. It gives this beautiful glow. It gives that very much like drenched feeling at first, but then it quickly evaporates into the skin, but then leaves this like beautiful like glow on the complexion. See, I use this when I've completely done all of my base products, and then I will set my face again at the very end with it. But I do think it's a beautiful product. It's very hydrating. It feels gorgeous on the skin. And yeah, I even like to wear this on my skin when I'm not wearing any makeup at all. I'll literally use this to spritz the skin, then apply my hyaluronic acid. I'll use this to spritz the skin throughout the day if my skin's feeling a bit dull. It's just an all-round fantastic product. Now, I am going to be creating quite a smoky look with my eyes today. So the first product that I'm going to go in with from the Iconic collaboration box is the Smoky Eye Duo from Iconic. Now, what I love about this is it's dual-ended. So you've got a thinner application here, but you've also got a thicker application on the other end. So this is going to be really good for the waterline, as this end's going to be really good for the lid if you really wanted to give a dramatic smoky effect. I'm actually going to go in with this first before apply any eyeshadows because I like to completely tightline my waterline, then go in with eyeshadow just so I prevent any smudging. So I'm going to go in first with the more finer pencil. I'm just going to go in with a puff. I'm literally just gently tightlining my waterline. Now you can take it all the way across. I personally like to just have it on the outer corner. I feel like when I personally tightline my entire eye, it tends to make my eyes look quite small. So I like to tightline just the outer corner of my eyes, but again, it's completely up to you and preference. Also, if you're wanting to know what I've used on my base or anything like that, I will list all products in the description below. I'm also going to tightline the top outer corner of my eye as well. So I'm just going to use that powder puff and just really go in that outer corner waterline. Again, if you're not feeling comfortable or confident enough to do that, you don't need to do that at all. You can actually just directly go onto the lash line on the lid. I personally like to create the smokiness from the waterlines and then go in with my eyeshadows, etc. on the lid itself. Now, the next product within the iconic collaboration box with Glossybox is the eyeshadow palette, and it's their Deep and Stormy shade. Now, this comes in very smoky, very seductive eye shades, quite cool undertones. I wouldn't use all of these at the same time. I would take it from more of a day look to more of an evening look. I'm going to do more of the evening look today. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to create a winged liner with the eyeliner again, but the thicker side. And then I'm going to pack on the eyeshadow so it gives that long-lasting hold. So if you can continue watching, I'll show you exactly how to achieve that. So first up, I'm going to go in with the thicker side of the Kohl Duo pencil from Iconic. Again, you can go in with a powder puff if you feel it's more comfortable to just like position your face. I personally like to do that. And I'm just going to go in from the inner corner of the outer corner, sorry, of the eye. Kind of like draw a line as a guide, because ideally you want to be taking your winged liner from the waterline outwards directly. So it's a good starting point to just take that pencil and work it outwards, again in line with your bottom lash line. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it from halfway down that line into the lash line like so. Doesn't need to be neat at this point at all. You're just getting that guide. So I'm taking that right in to the lash line so you can start to see like this quite wing appearance. But then what I then like to do is go in with like a fine brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a brush that I personally use that's quite a fine line brush, but it's coarse enough to really smudge. And I'm literally just going to smudge that eyeliner outwards and again into the lash line, just so it's creating that base ready for when we apply the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go in and pack on the eyeshadow. So I'm going to go in with the shade Shadow, which is this black shade within the Deep and Stormy palette. I'm going to use the same brush and I'm literally just going to pack that on now over the top of the eyeliner. And as you can see now, it's starting to create like this real nice winged eyeliner effect. But because we've gone in with the eyeliner first and then going in with the eyeshadow, you're going to find it's going to last so much longer. I always make to take it into the waterline as well, just so it doesn't have like this very obvious gap between the lash line and the actual eyeliner itself. I'm going to do the same on this side. Now I'm just doing the same on this eye. So I'm just taking it, packing it on, winging it outwards like so. So it's creating like this soft, subtle winged eyeliner. What I love about this is that with me, I suffer from dry eyes. So my eyes water horrendously. It drives me quite mad, actually. I'm always, my eyes are always watering. And I find that when I just apply eyeliners, they do bleed or they transfer. As when I apply an eyeliner like this, for example, and then pack on eyeshadow over the top, the longevity of it is like second to none. I find that it lasts all day. It doesn't transfer. It's giving like this dramaticness to the eye, but it's still very like it's still not too much, it's not over the top, and that's what I absolutely love about this technique. I think people see black eyeshadow and they think that they need to apply it all over the lid, or they need to use it as a smoky eye. You don't. Like, using it this way is such a good and clever way of basically enhancing your eye area without it looking too heavy. Now, once you've got it the way you like it, personally, I have quite different shaped eyes. My eyes are quite differently shaped, so this always tends to look a bit thicker than this one, but I'm going to leave it, because if I start making this one thicker, this one's then going to get thicker, and you just want to leave it. As soon as you're a little bit happy with it, just leave it there, put the brush down, and then go on to the next step. Now, I'm actually going to clean this brush, and I'm going to go in with this same brush but pick up the shimmer shade to lay onto the lid itself. So I've just quickly cleaned that brush. You can use your fingers, but where we've applied this eyeliner, you don't want to go down in with your finger. You probably smudge it. You're going to transfer it. So you want to get a similar brush or the same brush, and then you want to pick your preferred shimmer. I'm actually going to go for Stone. It's just slightly lighter. And I'm literally just going to press this on the lid like so. And what this is going to do is it's just going to brighten the lid area, but not disrupt the eyeliner. It's still going to look bright, it's still going to look really flattering, but you're not disrupting the eyeliner then. You're just allowing to apply the shimmer shade on the lid itself. I love those two together. I think it makes my eyes look brighter. It really complements it, because they're both quite cool undertones. They both just really just complement each other. Again, if you wanted to, you could go in and do this shade. If you wanted it to be a little bit darker, you could just go in with this all over the lid and then apply this over the top, create a wing liner with that. There's so many different looks you can do with this palette. It's just all about playing and experimenting and just understanding what's going to look best for your eye colour and eye shape. I'm now going to go in with the iconic Triple Threat Mascara. So I'm going to quickly curl my lashes off camera, and then I'm going to show you how this performs on my lashes. The Triple Threat Mascara does come in black, and this is going to help to provide length, volume and dimension to each individual lash. Now, what I like about this mascara is the wand. It's got like these tiny like little bristles that really allow to get into the root in each individual lash. So what I like to personally do is work it right at the root and then glide upwards. And then what this is going to do is going to really cling onto the root and allow it to give that lift and that curl. So again, really work it at the root, through to the tips. Like so. And then I'm going to do the same. I personally like to wear mascara on my bottom lashes. I just like that doll-eyed effect that it gives. And I'm just going to repeat the same on the other side. So we've done the complexion, we've done the eyes. It's now time to go onto the lips. And we've got two lip items. So we've got the fuller Pout lip liner. We've also got the matte lip mousse. So I'm going to show you what these look together. And honestly, it gives very much 90s nostalgia. I absolutely love it. It's something about this lip combo that does something to me. I absolutely love it. And I hope you love it too. Now, what I love about the fuller Pout lip liner is that it's got the actual lip liner itself, which is a really nice natural colour, so beautiful with any lipstick. And it's also got like this smudger, so if you want to smudge it in to give that more like blended finish, or you want to smudge it into the entire lip, you've got that versatile and flexibility to do that. Personally, I like to start by lining the lips underneath, like so, and then taking it up to the inner corners. And I like to go from the inner corner and work upwards. I just find this prevents me from really overlining the lip. I like quite an overlined lip on occasion, but on this occasion, I'm going to stick to my natural lip line. So I'm going to start from the inner corner. And just line upwards into the Cupid's bow. And I'm now going to go in with the matte lip mousse. Now this is in shade Cloud Kiss. So I'm going to show you. Oh, it's like a really like pale pink, but I love it. The reason why I love it is because this creates such a beautiful ombre finish. So if you, once you've applied a little bit on the centre of the lips, you can then go in with your lip liner again. And just like kind of just like blend it all in. It just creates like this really natural nude finish. I love a nude lip. Nude lips are my absolute favourite, and especially when you're pairing it with a smoky eye, because you don't want it to be too much. So having a smoky eye like this and then a nude lip really just complements each other really well. And then to finish off the look, I'm going to go in with the Prep Set Glow again and just set it all together. Oh, give it a good shake. Hold it around 10 centimetres to 20 centimetres away from the face. Just really allow it to set on the skin. And there we have it, a really glowy makeup look using the iconic Glossybox collaboration. Again, all the details on how much this is can be found all below alongside the list of products. But I love this. I think it's such a beautiful box of beauty products, especially if it's for yourself or a gift. And I can't wait to see what you think of it. So please comment below. Please tag us in all of your makeup looks if you do get your hands on one of these and do create makeup looks with it. We'd love to see them. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.